Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Debarim, Deuteronomy Chapter 29. And Mushah called to all Jashari'al and said to them, You have seen all that Yahweh did before your eyes in the land of Mitzrayim to Paro, and to all his servants, and to all his land, the great testings, the signs, and those great miracles that your eyes have seen. Still yet, Yahweh has not given you a heart to perceive, nor eyes to see, nor ears to hear, until this day. Although I have led you 40 years in the wilderness, your clothes have not become worn upon you, and your shoes have not become worn upon your feet. You have not eaten bread, nor have you drunk wine, nor strong drink, so that you may know that I am he who exists, your Elohim. And when you came to this place, Sihon, the king of Heshbon, and Og, the king of Bashan, came out against us to battle. However, we fought them and took their land. Then we gave it for an inheritance to the Reubeni, and to the Gadi, and to half the tribe of Manasseh. Therefore, keep the words of this covenant and do them, so that you may prosper in all that you do. This day all of you stand before Yahweh your Elohim, the captains of your tribes, your elders, and your officers, all the men of Jashari'al, your little ones, your wives, and your immigrants who are in your camp, from your woodcutter to your water drawer, so that you may enter into covenant with Yahweh your Elohim, and into his oath, which Yahweh your Elohim makes with you this day, so that he may establish you for a people unto himself today, and that he may be an Elohim unto you, like he said to you, and like he swore to your fathers, to Abraham, to Yitzhak, and to Jacob. Not only do I make this covenant and this oath with you, with those who stand here with us this day before Yahweh our Elohim, but also with those who are not here with us this day. For you know how you were treated in the land of Mitzrayim, and how we came through the nations, which you passed by, and you have seen their abominations, and their idols, wood and stone, silver and gold, which were among them. Lest there is a man or woman or family or tribe among you whose heart turns away from Yahweh, our Elohim, this day, to go serve the deities of these nations. Lest there is a root among you that bears gall and wormwood, and it comes to pass, when he hears the words of this curse, that he endows himself in his heart, saying, I am restored, even though my heart firmly follows its intentions of drunkenness and thirst. Yahweh will not spare him. Rather, the anger of Yahweh and his jealousy will smolder against that man, and all the curses that are written in this supper will lie upon him. Also, Yahweh will blot out his name from under the heavens. And Yahweh will separate him from all the tribes of Jashari'al unto evil, according to all the curses of the covenant that are written in the teaching of this supper, so that the generation of children to come who will rise up after you, and the foreigner who will come from a far land, when they see the plagues of that land, and the sickness which Yahweh has laid upon it, will say, The whole land is burning with salt and brimstone. It is not sown, nor bears, nor grows any grass in it, like the overthrow of Sedum and Amorah, Admah and Sebayim, which Yahweh overthrew during his anger and wrath. Therefore all nations will ask, Why has Yahweh done thus to this land? What is this great fierceness of anger? Then the men will say, because they have forsaken the covenant of Yahuwah, the Elohim of their fathers, which he made with them when he brought them from the land of Mitzrayim. For they went and served other deities, and worshipped them, deities whom they did not know when he had given it to them. And the anger of Yahuwah was kindled against this land, to bring upon it all the curses that are written in this Sefer. Also, Yahuwah rooted them out of their land during the anger and wrath and great indignation. Moreover, he cast them into another land like this day. The secret concerning Yahuwah, our Elohim, and the revelation unto us and our children forever, is to do all the words of this teaching,